Welcome to Unit 11. My passion is music. I've been playing the violin since I was a child. I've played in over 50 concerts with my local orchestra. What about you? What's your passion?
My passion is actually volleyball. I played it for 9 years.
My passion is probably languages. I would like to learn more languages such as German or Chinese.
Well, my passion is literature, I guess, especially German literature.
This unit looks at the present perfect continuous. I've been playing the violin since I was a child. You'll also learn about the differences between the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. I've played in over 50 concerts with my orchestra. Have you ever collected anything? I collected football cards and stamps when I was a child. In reading and speaking, you'll read about people with interesting collections. What are you doing at 9 a.m. on Saturday? If you're a passionate runner, you could sign up to run at a parkrun event. Watch the video to find out more. The vocabulary and listening section in this unit focuses on words and expressions to use when talking about some of life's big events: birth, marriage, and death. My sister got married last weekend. She's on her honeymoon in Madeira at the moment. I can't wait to see the photos. Everyday English looks at how to respond to other people's good and bad news. That's wonderful! Congratulations! I'm so sorry. Mr. Class? You can go online to look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.